Today we are going to explain how to download and install Grafana on Windows. Grafana is an open source data visualization and monitoring tool that helps you analyze and visualize real-time and historical data from various sources. It's widely used for monitoring IT infrastructure, application, etc. Let's see how to download and install Grafana. First of all, you should go to Grafana website for download the file. Then you just select Windows. Then click here, download the installer. It's downloading. Download done. Now let's install the Grafana. Just double click here. Run anyway. Then next. Accept. Then go next. Ensure Grafana run Grafana as a service. It's enabled. Next. Install. Grafana installation done. Click finish. Now let's check local host colon 3000 set default. Yes, the default username admin and password admin. Login. You can just skip it or you can change the password. Now you can see successfully Grafana installed and you can visualize your data here. Thank you for watching.